Okay, so we have to rehydrate these Ancho Chile peppers in some hot water. Okay, we got the Ancho chilies rehydrated, char broiled some tomatillos and jalapeños and tomatoes. We're gonna blend this up. The color looks fantastic, mashallah. I mean, stunning, great flavor, and it'll change color again when we bake it. Alright, its chicken breast is coated. We're gonna put this in the oven, inshallah. Covered it, obviously. Okay, I hope you can see. The sun has kind of gone away, but everything has simmered quite well. It's very hot because I just took the lid off. I will serve this over basmati rice, and hopefully the lighting will be a lot easier for you to see. MashaAllah. Alright, look at that color. So stunning. Perfect. Flavor is on point. Not too spicy, just the right amount of heat. I'd say the perfect acidity with the tomatillos, adding a more sour element to it. MashaAllah. It's a labor of love. Takes a while, but man, it's so worth it. Thank Allah for everything. Alright, and the tenderness. I just wanted to show you the tenderness as I sliced it for my little one. Perfect tenderness.